Good morning. We will start session 3 on chapter practical geometry. We'll start with the furthermore constructions here. The third exercise. Construct a quadrilateral more. First one. Now here angles are given. So always plan your quadrilateral in such a way that the angles should be in the base. Along with the angles, base also should have some measurement. So plan it accordingly. M-O-R-E, where MO is 6 centimeter, OR is 4.5 centimeter, angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105 degree, and angle R is also 105 degree. Now let's see how to construct this triangle, construct this quadrilateral. So according to the given measurement, what is the base given? Base is given as 6 centimeter. So let us draw a base for 6 centimeter here. So mark this base as MO, which is 6 centimeter. Now what have they given? They have given us some angles, right? That is, angle M is 60 degree and angle O is 105 degree. Let us mark those angles first. So keep your protractor here. So when you mark, the point of a protractor and the line should coincide. 60 degree is an acute angle. That means it comes here. So with that respect, mark 60 degree here. Just draw a line, children. You do not tell how extend the line goes. Just you have to draw a line. That line is nothing but E. But where is that E point? We don't know. Keep it as it is. Right? Mark this for 60 degree as given. Next, what is this another angle marked for? 105 degree. Keep your protractor here, your point coinciding with the line. 105 degree. Now just see, this is 90 degree. If I come this way, it is less than 90. Now if this is 90, I have to go more than 90. 100, 105 will come here, right? So always be very careful with the acute and obtuse angles. Till where should I mark? I don't know. Why? Because it is just 105. Let me mark here for 105. Have they given the measurement? Yes. For how much have they given the measurement? They have given that for 4.5. That means this 105 degree what I have constructed, I have to cut an arc for 4.5. So take 4.5 measurement, keep your compass at the point O and cut it for 4.5. Done? What is this point, children, now? R. Right? Next, what is the angle at the R here? 105 degree again there, because now we don't know where to cut this point E, but we know what is the angle at point R. How should we construct now? Keep your compass such a way that, keep your protractor such a way that the center point is coinciding with your protractor point and the line along with the protractor line. 105 children. Now where is your 90 degree? First see, 90 is here. If I come this side, less than 90. If I go this side, more than 90. Obtuse angle. So 90 is here, 100 is here, 105 will come here. Right? To that 105, from here, I will draw a line. Right? Now here, what should I do? Just extend this line where it cuts the given old line where it is cutting. We got it? What is that point now? E. What is this angle? 105. Sometimes they will also ask you find the measure of ER, find the measure of EM, also find the angle E. Simple. We can take a scale and measure this, take a scale and measure this, keep the protractor and also measure the angles. So MORE. Therefore, our conclusion, MORE is the required quadrilateral. Very fine, very correct. So this is how we construct a quadrilateral when the sides and angles are given. Make sure you have a base for what you are constructing as well as try to bring the angles in the base for constructing at the initial point at least. Very easy. See, without having the base angles here, you can't construct another angle here, right? So your base should be strong on what you built. Next is again the similar construction. Construct a quadrilateral plan. So we'll go with the next construction here. Second one, plan. So construct a quadrilateral plan such a way that PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5 centimeter, and angle P is 90 degree. Angle L is not given, angle A is given, angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. Okay, now just look at this construction. First what I will do here is I will plan. If I plan to draw a base of 4 centimeter here, I will have only one angle. Then I can only mark one thing for 6.5. From there I can cut it for 110. But for that 6 point, okay, we can do that. Let us just try. Are we able to construct this quadrilateral only with the given things? Otherwise, always remember children here, how many angles are given? 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angles are given. It is a quadrilateral. How can you find the fourth angle of a quadrilateral? Angle sum property. Using angle sum property, can we find the fourth angle of a quadrilateral? Yes, we can find. How? 90 plus 85 plus 110 plus L is equal to 360. Therefore, angle L is equal to 360 minus these angles, you will get 75 degree. Now, first of all, let us see with the given data can we construct, because 5 parameters are there, 3, 4, 5. Is that sufficient? Let's check. As per the thing, we will have a base of 4 centimeter first. So base is PL, which is 4 centimeter. Then take your protractor and mark 90 degree. I know 90 degree can also be a straight line, but still you have to mark this using a protractor. That's actually a correct way of doing it. Okay. One more thing. When we talk about a construction here, usually angle constructions are done typically for angle construction only. So like how we construct a 90 degree, how we construct 30 degree angles. Now I don't know in your school whether they have told you to construct with 30 degree angle construction or 90 degree angle construction. I will use protractor here and do it. In case if they have done, do let me know also. So 90 degree will construct here. Till where we go? We will just extend it. Later we'll see where to cut it. This is 90 degree. Then this one, just see, I have to cut it for 6.5 children here. Okay. I will take some measurement, I will cut it for 6.5. But how should I join it? Where should I join it? I don't know which line it has to go, right? Because any other line is not known to me. So at that point of time, even here 85 degree will come, but where 85 degree can come? It can cut at any point. We are not aware. That means the given data is not sufficient to construct a quadrilateral here. So what we will do? In the rough work only what we can do is angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus angle L plus 110 plus angle N is how much? 85 is equal to 360 degree. When you add this and subtract, angle L is equal to 75 degree, what you get. Okay. So first of all, we have to construct 75 degree here for this construction. 90 degrees here. So 70 will come here, 80 will come here, 75 degree will come here, less than 90 degree. So it is 75 degree. Okay, we will just draw this one line, but till where we have to extend? We have to cut that for 6.5 centimeter. Now very clear why we require that one part? Okay. So let us cut that for 6.5 centimeter. I'll keep my compass. I'm cutting it here. My arc is coming here. So should I extend my line? Yes, I have to extend my line. So this point of intersection is A. This angle is 75 degree. Now further I know. Now this angle should be for how much, children? 110 degree. From here, because you know the point of intersection, keep your protractor here, point connecting with this along with a straight line, 110 degree. 90 comes here. If I go like this, less than 90. So I have to go beyond this 100. It is 105, 110. For 110 I have marked. From here, draw for 110 for what you have marked a straight line. Right? Can I extend this line? Yes, we can extend it. This point of intersection is L. This is 110 degree. But this angle was already given to us as 85, right? Let us check whether it is 85 or no. My protractor here at this coinciding with this point, 85 is always less than 90. 85 will come here. Yes, it is at 85 degree. You have to accurately get at 85, not 80, 75 or something like that. If you are not getting at 85, you have gone wrong somewhere in your construction. Write 85. Right? Even if you get 80 degree, it is wrong. You have gone wrong in construction, any of the angle part in choosing measurement or anything. This is how you have to construct it. 6.5 centimeter. So when the third, fourth angle is not mentioned, we can use angle sum property to find it. But only provided that 3 angles should be given. With only 2 angles, you can't find third and fourth angle, right? So plan is the required quadrilateral. Let's go with the next construction. It's parallelogram here. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides and opposite angles are equal. Even here, you should know the angle properties and side properties to apply and do it. So they have given one angle. So H E A R is a parallelogram. So I'll just mark where HE is equal to 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. EE is equal to 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Angle R is equal to 85 degree. That means angle E is also equal to 85 degree. Provided, children, I can also find remaining angles by consecutive angles are supplementary. So if I find angle H, automatically I can also find angle A there, right? Okay. So let's go for the construction here. First, we'll construct a base for 5 centimeter. Let us see whether the given data is actually sufficient for us to construct a triangle. So this is H, this is E, and this is 5 centimeter. Then apart from that, what we know? We know that angle E is 85 degree. Okay. Take a protractor, keep it here, mark for 85 degree. So 85, children, 90 will come here. So this is less than 90 degree. 80 is here, almost here it comes 85. We will cut it for 85 degree now. Okay. What is the measurement? What we have to cut that? We have to cut that for 6 centimeter. It's coming here. Let me also extend the line. So I'll extend the line here. This point of contact is A. This is 6 centimeter and this is 85 degree. Now, here it is for 6 centimeter, I know. But where do I cut that for 6 centimeter? No information. From here I have to cut it for 5 centimeter. I know that, right? So what we will do now here is, so even if I cut it for 5 centimeter here, from here it is at 6 centimeter. Can we do that? Let us check. Take 6 centimeter, the same radius first of all. What you have cut here, for the same radius, keep your compass here and cut that for 6 centimeter. The line comes here. Okay. Here, what do we have from A to R? It is 5 centimeter. That's the same measurement what we have. Keep your compass here for 5 and cut it. Is the R cutting? Yes. What is this point? R. Did we get a point of contact? Yes. So, join this. See the parallelogram how it is actually coming. So mine might slightly go here and there with the measurement, but you get it actually accurately. 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. And if you measure the angle, children, here, take a protractor, measure the angle and see this has to be 85 degree. In case if the data is insufficient to construct it, you feel you want something more, one more angle, you can always use consecutive angles are supplementary. You can find this angle, you can construct it here and cut it for 6. That also will become very easy, right? So here is the required parallelogram, right? And the last one. Rectangle. OK. So OK is the given rectangle. So only two sides are given, but we know the angles here. O, K, A, Y, where OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. With that, we also know that all the angles are equal to 90 degree. A very simple construction will be for rectangle. Mark the base for 7 centimeter. So this is OK, 7 centimeter. You have to cut both the sides for 5 centimeter because this also is 5 centimeter and this will be 7 centimeter. 90 degree. We'll mark for 90 degree here. We'll mark for 90 degree here. Right? So just draw the lines first. Till where you just draw the imaginary, just draw the lines. Then what we will do is here, we'll cut the lines for 5 centimeter. It cuts here. It cuts here. So this and this. Let us join them now. We will extend it a bit so that we can meet at the point of contact. Okay, join them. So 7 centimeter. This is O, K, A, Y. So this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. and please mark the angles since it is a rectangle. Therefore, OK is the required rectangle. This is how you go with the construction. So, sometimes in your school, they will also tell you to mark with the angles and construct it. Do let me know in case if you have such type of construction where they have told you cannot mark an angle with the protractor, wherein you have to go with the construction. Do let me on that in case if they stress more on angle construction also. So, with this we complete this exercise with one set of construction. The next session will see some more different parameters given to construct the different types of quadrilateral.